In the realm of robotics, the United States stands as a powerhouse of innovation, continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible in automation, artificial intelligence, and beyond. From household names to cutting edge prototypes, here's a look at some of the top robots that have emerged from the labs and workshops across the nation. Boston Dynamics, a Massachusetts based robotics company, has captured the world's attention with its remarkable creations. At the forefront is Spot, a four-legged robot designed for a variety of tasks including inspection, surveying, and research. Equipped with advanced sensors and unmatched agility, Spot navigates complex environments with ease, showcasing the future of robotic mobility. Boston Dynamics also introduced a fully electric iteration of its humanoid robot, Atlas, tailored for real-world applications, in April 2024. In 2005, a collaborative effort between Boston Dynamics, Foster Miller, the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and Harvard University Concord Field Station resulted in the creation of Big Dog, a groundbreaking robot designed for traversing challenging terrains. Unlike conventional vehicles, Big Dog featured four legs, measuring 3 feet in length and 2.5 feet in height, resembling the size of a small mule. Funded by DARPA, this project aimed to improve military logistics by assisting soldiers in navigating difficult terrains. Despite its innovative design, Big Dog's operational noise proved to be too loud for combat missions. However, its remarkable capability to traverse terrain inaccessible to wheeled vehicles and carry loads of up to 150 kilograms at speeds of 4 miles per hour distinguished it as a pioneering legged robot. Big Dog's exceptional stability enabled it to withstand impacts without tipping over, and extensive military testing demonstrated its ability to haul loads weighing up to 340 pounds and negotiate inclines of up to 35 degrees. Rise, a six-legged climbing robot, was launched by Boston Dynamics in 2006. Rise grasps the microtexture of the surface, using special feet and special motions. The collaborative development team comprised researchers from UPenn, Stanford, Berkeley, Carnegie Mellon, and Boston Dynamics. This groundbreaking project received funding from DARPA. RHEX, a 30-pound robot, is purposefully crafted for navigating challenging terrains. Controlled remotely through an RF link equipped with a high-resolution video uplink, RHEX demonstrates versatility by operating upright or inverted. With a battery charge lasting up to 4 hours, this iteration prioritizes ruggedness, extended battery life, ease of maintenance, and enhanced mobility, building upon years of development and experience. The Legged Squad Support System, LS3, also referred to as AlphaDog, marks a rugged and militarized advancement from the Big Dog robot. Tailored to withstand the rigors of military operations, including extreme temperatures, adverse weather conditions, and rugged terrains. According to Lieutenant Colonel Joe Hitt, the U.S. Marine Corps Program Manager, LS3 aims to combine the load-carrying capacity of a pack mule with the intelligent navigation abilities of a trained animal. Incorporating cutting-edge technology, LS3 can interpret both visual and verbal commands, utilizing onboard GPS and sophisticated computer vision systems like LiDAR and infrared for autonomous navigation across challenging landscapes. Nevertheless, its responsiveness to voice commands has presented challenges, particularly for soldiers conversing in its vicinity, as LS3 may unintentionally react to their discussions. Unlike biological pack animals, LS3 boasts the endurance to cover distances of up to 20 miles without requiring refueling and is immune to issues such as bleeding or tripping, common limitations associated with live mules. During the formative stages of Big Dog's development, Boston Dynamics embarked on several groundbreaking projects. Among these initiatives was Pathman, an advanced bipedal robot crafted specifically for testing chemical protection gear. Pathman notably became the first robot capable of executing dynamic movements akin to those of humans. Tailored to support the U.S. Army, Paithman demonstrated remarkable agility and the ability to replicate human physiological responses, including perspiration, a critical feature for evaluating the effectiveness of soldiers' protective attire. Simultaneously, the Sand Flea project garnered attention for its CO2-powered jumping mechanism, enabling it to carry out reconnaissance missions in challenging environments such as Afghanistan by effortlessly surmounting obstacles. In a significant leap forward for high-speed robotics, the Cheetah project shattered speed records, surpassing even the swiftest human runners like Usain Bolt. This marked the initial foray into developing rapid-moving robotic systems. Subsequently, the introduction of the Wildcat robot propelled this pursuit, earning the distinction of being the fastest four-legged robot globally, showcasing unparalleled stability across diverse and demanding terrains. Introduced around 2010, Little Dog is a compact, four-legged robot developed by Boston Dynamics for DARPA's research endeavors. Unlike Big Dog, which Boston Dynamics operates directly, Little Dog serves as an experimental platform accessible to various research institutions. Boston Dynamics ensures ongoing maintenance under a standardized framework for DARPA. Featuring 4 agile legs, each powered by 3 electric motors, Little Dog exhibits a wide range of movement capabilities, including climbing and dynamic walking. It is equipped with an onboard computer system responsible for processing sensory inputs, controlling actuators, and managing communications. Little Dog's sensors monitor details such as joint positions, motor force, orientation, and ground contact status. Researchers interact with Little Dog through the Boston Dynamics Robot API. Powered by lithium polymer batteries, Little Dog achieves up to 30 minutes of continuous operation on a single charge. It incorporates wireless technologies for both remote control and data collection. The development of Little Dog is supported by DARPA's Information Processing Technology Office. Wildcat is a quadrupedal robot designed to achieve high-speed locomotion across various terrains. Demonstrating impressive capabilities, Wildcat has attained speeds of approximately 16 miles per hour on flat terrain, utilizing bounding and galloping gaits. Developed by Boston Dynamics with funding from DARPA's M3 program, Wildcat represents a significant advancement in robotic mobility. While Wildcat's current top speed of 25 km per hour falls short of Cheetah's 45 km per hour, the reasons behind this disparity remain speculative. Factors such as onboard power limitations, gait efficiency, and the relative novelty of Wildcat as a developing robot may contribute to its current performance level. Additionally, the robot's potential for refinement and optimization suggests room for improvement in future iterations. Furthermore, the extent of Wildcat's performance beyond controlled environments like parking lots remains uncertain. Questions linger regarding its capability for sensor-based obstacle avoidance, a feature crucial for navigating complex and dynamic surroundings akin to those encountered in real-world scenarios. Despite these uncertainties, Wildcat's development heralds promising prospects for advancing robotic mobility and autonomy. In August 2012, the Cheetah robot, characterized by its 4 legs, achieved a remarkable speed of 28 miles per hour, setting a new record for the fastest land speed attained by a legged robot. Concurrently, another robot named Cheetah, developed by MIT's Biomimetic Robotics Lab, showcased its own remarkable advancements. By 2014, it demonstrated the ability to leap over obstacles while running, and by 2018, it had mastered the skill of climbing stairs. Subsequent iterations such as Little Dog and Alpha Dog further refined the original design, culminating in the development of the Legged Squad Support System, LS3, in 2012. This updated version boasted enhanced versatility, enabling it to operate effectively across a wide range of environments. Sandflea, weighing 11 pounds, boasts a singular impressive feature. While typically maneuvering like an RC car, it possesses the extraordinary ability to leap up to 30 feet into the air when necessary. Equipped with an onboard stabilization system, it maintains orientation during flight, enhancing the view from its video uplink and ensuring controlled landings. Spot Classic is a four-legged robot designed for indoor and outdoor operation. It is electrically powered and hydraulically actuated. Spot Classic has a sensor head that helps it navigate and negotiate rough terrain. Spot Classic weighs about 160 pounds. In the realm of robotics, Atlas has stood as a beacon of inspiration and innovation. Originating from a DARPA project called Paithman in 2013, Atlas was initially designed to evaluate soldier suits against chemical warfare agents, replicating human movements with remarkable precision. From walking to running, bending to reaching, and even simulating perspiration, Atlas pushed the boundaries of robotic capabilities. Introduced by Boston Dynamics as part of a Department of Defense contest, Atlas, towering at 6 feet 2 inches and weighing 330 pounds, captivated the world. Its ability to hop, jump, twirl, and manipulate objects showcased its extraordinary agility. Over the years, Atlas evolved, continually expanding its capabilities, captivating audiences with its feats, from running and jumping to dancing and even parkour. However, as Boston Dynamics shifted focus towards commercialization, the limitations of hydraulic systems became apparent. Challenges such as hydraulic fluid spills and maintenance complexity hindered its commercial viability. Boston Dynamics found success with Spot, an electric platform better suited for commercial applications, signaling a shift towards fully electric humanoid platforms. Spot, a remarkable creation by Boston Dynamics, heralded a new era in commercial robotics, finding wide-ranging applications in fields such as healthcare, law enforcement, and construction, owing to its autonomy and versatility. Unveiled on 23 June 2016, Spot represents a lightweight, four-legged robot inspired by canines, weighing a mere 25 kilograms, making it lighter than other Boston Dynamics products. Spot gained significant attention in November 2017 when a video showcasing its ability to use its claw to open a door went viral on YouTube, quickly reached ing#1 with over 2 million views. Another video in the same month depicted Spot persistently attempting to open the door despite human interference, eliciting varied reactions from viewers. On 11 May 2018, Boston Dynamics CEO announced Spot's transition to pre-production, with plans for commercial availability in 2019. However, in September 2019, it was revealed that Spot would be leased to selected business partners rather than being sold outright. In November 2019, the Massachusetts State Police became the first law enforcement agency to deploy Spot in their bomb squad operations. Spot's SDK became accessible on 23 January 2020, enabling programmers to develop custom applications for various industries. On 16 June 2020, Spot became available for purchase by the general public at a price of $74,500. Spot's versatility was further demonstrated in various noteworthy events. In June 2020, a Spot named Zeus assisted SpaceX at their Boca Chica Starship test site. In July 2020, a team of Spot robots served as cheerleaders at a baseball match in Japan, alongside SoftBank Pepper robots. Spot conducted inspection tasks on the SCAR floating production storage and offloading vessel in November 2020. In April 2021, a YouTube video showcased Spot dispensing beer into red plastic cups, while in March 2022, Spot created a painting titled Sunrise March, which was sold for $40,000 to benefit Ukrainian refugees. Handle is a research robot developed by Boston Dynamics, featuring two flexible legs on wheels and two manipulator arms for grasping or transporting objects. Standing at a height of 6.5 feet, Handle exhibits remarkable mobility, capable of traveling at speeds of up to 9 miles per hour and leaping vertically up to 4 feet. Its propulsion relies on electric power, enabling the operation of various electric and hydraulic actuators, with a travel range of approximately 15 miles on a single battery charge. While Handle shares many dynamics, balance, and mobile manipulation principles with other robots from Boston Dynamics, it distinguishes itself with a simpler design, comprising only about 10 actuated joints. Despite its reduced complexity, Handle showcases exceptional agility and efficiency in navigating diverse environments and performing manipulation tasks. Boston Dynamics unveiled the Stretch robot for warehouse automation through a video on their YouTube channel on 29 March 2021. This innovative robot features a square mobile base equipped with wheels, along with a perception mast containing cameras and various sensors. Additionally, Stretch boasts a robotic arm with 7 degrees of freedom and a suction pad array at its end, enabling it to securely grasp and relocate boxes weighing up to 23 kilograms. Pick, much like Stretch in its functionality, remains stationed in a fixed position. Designed primarily for handling boxes, Pick efficiently identifies boxes in less than a second. Additionally, it autonomously removes the cardboard sheet, streamlining the box handling process seamlessly. On 17 September 2021, the Factory Safety Service robot was unveiled, representing a pioneering partnership between Hyundai Motor Group and Boston Dynamics. Evolved from the well-known Boston Dynamics robot Spot, this innovative iteration features an integrated thermal camera and advanced 3D LiDAR system. With these capabilities, it adeptly detects nearby individuals, surveils for potential fire hazards, and distinguishes between open and closed doors, enhancing safety in industrial settings. Boston Dynamics' commitment to pushing the boundaries of robotics is exemplified by its diverse array of creations, spanning from the logistical capabilities of Handle to the revolutionary impact of Stretch on warehouse automation. Progressing from the early development of Big Dog in 2005 to the synchronized movements of Atlas and Spot in 2021, their trajectory symbolized the integration of engineering ingenuity with forward-looking aspirations. Provides insights into Spot 4.0 software, which employs machine learning algorithms like reinforcement learning and deep learning. This software enables Spot to learn from its experiences and enhance its performance gradually. 17 April 2024 marked the debut of a fully electric iteration of Atlas by Boston Dynamics. This new version boasts an enriched range of movements compared to its predecessor. Empowered by an advanced control system and cutting-edge hardware, it showcases remarkable athleticism and agility, establishing a pioneering benchmark in robotics. Boston Dynamics unveiled a captivating video featuring their robot dog, Spot, adorned in a shimmering costume, showcasing its dance moves within their warehouse to mark International Dance Day. Spot, now dubbed Sparkles in its blue, furry, and glittering attire, gracefully maneuvers using Boston Dynamics choreographer software, bringing its dance routine to life. The company aims to delve into the captivating realms of robotics, art, and entertainment with this innovative update. In the quest to explore the cosmos, NASA has developed groundbreaking robotic technologies, and Robonaut is a prime example. This humanoid robot, with its dexterous hands and sophisticated AI, assists astronauts aboard the International Space Station. With capabilities to handle delicate tasks in space, Robonaut represents a crucial step forward in human-robot collaboration beyond Earth's boundaries. The exploration of other planets wouldn't be possible without the pioneering efforts of NASA's Mars rovers. From Sojourner to Curiosity and beyond, these robotic explorers have traversed the Martian surface, conducting experiments, analyzing soil samples, and capturing breathtaking images. Tesla, known for its electric vehicles, is also revolutionizing manufacturing processes with its fleet of robots. From automated assembly lines to advanced AI-driven systems, Tesla's factories exemplify the future of automotive production. By integrating robotics at every stage, Tesla streamlines operations, enhances efficiency, and sets new standards for the industry. The controlled by the same AI system currently in development for Tesla's advanced driver assistance system, it's tailored for tasks deemed hazardous, repetitive, or tedious, such as manufacturing assistance. Despite initial hurdles, including the imperative to design and fabricate custom actuators due to the absence of suitable off-the-shelf options, Tesla has made remarkable progress. By September 2023, the company unveiled a video demonstrating Optimus engaging in novel activities, showcasing its proficiency in sorting colored blocks, spatial limb localization, and flexibility through yoga poses. In the field of medicine, the Da Vinci surgical system, developed by Intuitive Surgical, has transformed surgical procedures with its unparalleled precision and minimally invasive techniques. Controlled by skilled surgeons, this robotic platform enhances dexterity and provides a magnified, 3D view of the surgical site, leading to faster recovery times and improved patient outcomes. In August 2023, the unveiling of Apollo marked a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, specifically tailored for warehouse operations. Developed by Apptronik, headquartered in Austin, Texas, Apollo boasts a modular design, integrated LED features, and a runtime of 4 hours, showcasing the latest in robotic innovation. Apptronik's ambition is to pioneer a practical general-purpose robot, priced at less than $100,000, with a production target of 1 million units by 2030. They plan to reveal a prototype in early 2024. The company has its origins in the Human-Centered Robotics Lab at the University of Texas at Austin, stemming from its involvement in the 2015 DARPA Robotics Challenge. Chief Technology Officer and co-founder, Nick Payne, played a significant role in enhancing next-gen actuation and controls for NASA, marking Apptronik's initial contract focused on robotics. The creation of the Apollo's humanoid robot is a collaboration between Apptronik Inc., a small business in Austin, Texas, and NASA. Engineered for versatile applications such as logistics, manufacturing, home delivery, and patient care, Apollo also holds promise for space missions, assisting astronauts on the Moon, Mars, and serving as remote avatars for Earth-based operators. Standing at 1.7 meters tall and weighing 72.6 kilograms, Apollo can lift up to 25 kilograms, 55 pounds. Operating on electricity rather than traditional hydraulic systems, it features a 4-hour battery, swappable to sustain a 22-hour workday. Its modular design allows for mounting on various platforms and configurations, with LED indicators serving as communication tools. Apollo's adaptability enables easy reconfiguration for different tasks, accommodating varying levels of autonomy and tool utilization. Leveraging NASA's expertise ensures safe operation alongside humans. Initially focusing on logistics to address labor shortages, Apptronik foresees Apollo tackling diverse tasks across sectors in the coming decade. Rooted in the design of NASA's Valkyrie robot, Apollo underwent years of refinement to operate effectively in human-designed environments. Its primary computing system resides in its chest, supported by integrated sensors for orientation and obstacle navigation, crucial for venturing into uncertain environments like outdoor settings and potentially the lunar surface. Digit, an innovative humanoid robot crafted by Agility Robotics, embodies the company's ambitious mission to engineer legged machines capable of maneuvering environments akin to humans. Introduced in 2019 as Agility's second venture into bipedal robotics following the launch of their initial platform, Cassie, in 2016, Digit is intricately engineered for dynamic mobility, featuring agile limbs and a sensor-rich torso facilitating seamless navigation through complex surroundings and the execution of tasks such as package delivery. Standing at a height of 155 centimeters and weighing 42.2 kilograms, Digit integrates advanced components including 4 Intel RealSense depth cameras, multiple IMUs, and precise encoders for proprioception. Supported by 2 Intel i7 multi-thread CPUs for robust processing capabilities. Its adaptability extends to a payload bay accommodating additional computing hardware, such as Intel NUC or NVIDIA Jetson, enhancing its perception and machine learning capabilities. Digit's design prioritizes seamless integration into human environments and replication of human workflows, enabling it to excel in diverse tasks ranging from unloading trucks to moving boxes in warehouse. Its versatility positions it as a crucial tool in logistics and warehouse operations, with the latest iteration optimized for human-robot interaction (HRI) and furnished with manipulators tailored for handling totes. Essential plastic bins controlling goods flow in warehouse. While Digit's hands deviate from anatomically human-like structures, they are purposefully engineered for efficient tote manipulation. The robot's primary function, complemented by its ability to walk, step up on curbs, crouch, and execute other actions. Agility Robotics aims to commence large-scale manufacturing of Digit robots, with partner shipments scheduled for early 2024 and general availability anticipated the following year. Supplemented by a partner program facilitating adoption among Digit's initial commercial clientele. On 2 March 2024, OpenAI announced its progress in integrating its technology into humanoid robots, partnering with Figure AI, a specialist in AI robotics and the creation of humanoid robots for workforce use. Figure AI, founded in 2022 in Sunnyvale, California, gained recognition for introducing Figure 01, a highly adaptable robot known for its human-like motions. This collaboration aims to address labor shortages and enhance supply chains, with Figure AI currently serving clients throughout the United States. Sophia, introduced by Henson Robotics in 2016, emerges as a pioneering figure in the realm of robotics. Notably, she achieved the milestone of being the first robot to receive citizenship and draws inspiration from the timeless grace of Audrey Hepburn. Initially envisioned for tasks like elderly care and crowd management, Sophia has captivated widespread attention from both the public and the media. Earning a prominent place in news coverage, Sophia made her debut at the 2016 South by Southwest (SXSW) exhibition and has since evolved into a global media icon. Her engagements with notable personalities on platforms like CNBC and appearances on renowned television programs such as CBS 60 Minutes, The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon, and Good Morning Britain have reached extensive audiences. Furthermore, Sophia has taken center stage as a keynote speaker and panelist at various international conferences and events, including those hosted by ITU and the United Nations. Sophia's impact transcends her media presence. She has been prominently featured in Audi's annual report and graced the cover of Elle magazine. Of significant note, Sophia holds the distinction of being designated as the first innovation champion by the United Nations Development Programme, marking her as the inaugural non-human recipient of a UN title. Recognizing her groundbreaking contributions to robotics, Sophia was honored with an Edison Award in 2018. Alice, also referred to as Eva, was developed in 2008 by Henson Robotics for MIRLab in Geneva, Switzerland. This female robot possesses an emotionally expressive face, designed to support cognitive robotics research at the University of Geneva. As a member of the Indigo Cognitive Robotics Consortium, which counts Hanson Robotics as a founding member, Elise plays a pivotal role in advancing humanoid development. With her innovative rubber skin and underlying servo motors, Elise can simulate a wide range of human-like facial expressions, enabling her to convey emotions such as sadness, anger, shock, and pleasure with remarkable fluidity and precision. As evidenced by researchers' videos, Ailey's cheeks, mouth, eyes, and eyebrows move dynamically, allowing her to communicate human reactions effectively. Interestingly, Ailey has found an unexpected role as an actress in theatrical productions, showcasing her versatility beyond her original research purposes. Bina 48 or Breakthrough Intelligence via Neural Architecture 48 is a humanoid robot characterized by a bust-like head and shoulders affixed to a frame, capable of producing lifelike facial expressions through 30 motors beneath her rubber skin. Developed by Hanson Robotics and introduced in 2010, Bina 48 represents a technological rendition of a human, commissioned by Martine Rothblatt, a millionaire seeking to replicate the appearance of her spouse of over 35 years, Bina Rothblatt. Bina 48 is equipped with a database containing numerous books, enabling her to recite passages when prompted. Currently situated at the non-profit Terasa Movement Foundation, Incorporated. Bina 48 engages in conversations with humans, sharing anecdotes such as providing emotional narratives about her brother's personality changes following his return from the Vietnam War. Bina 48 engages in conversations with humans, sharing anecdotes such as providing emotional narratives about her brother's personality changes following his return from the Vietnam War. He made his debut in 2015 at the Global Sources Electronics Fair held in Hong Kong, showcasing his remarkable ability to recognize and mimic human expressions. Equipped with an array of cameras and advanced speech recognition technology, he can detect individuals, discern their gender, age, and interpret facial cues indicating emotions such as happiness or sadness. Hanson Robotics envisions her being utilized in various customer service roles, including hotels, owing to his adeptness in understanding and responding to human interactions. Sporting a bald head and masculine features, he exudes charm with his British accent and talent for crafting humorous facial expressions. Jules made his debut in 2006 at Wired Next Fest, captivating audiences with his advanced features including machine learning, face tracking, and facial recognition capabilities. Developed by Hanson Robotics in collaboration with the Personality Forge AI chatbot platform, led by Benji Adams and Heather McKean, Jules boasts a software designed to simulate human-like interactions. Renowned for his statistically perfect androgynous face, Jules represents a significant advancement in robotics and AI technology. Presently, the robot is stationed at the University of West England in Bristol, where he continues to contribute to research and development initiatives. The Philip K. Dick Android made its first appearance at Wired Next Fest in 2005, designed as an android embodiment of the renowned American science fiction writer Philip K. Dick. Programmed with an extensive collection of the author's works, including journals and letters, the android utilized latent semantic analysis (LSA) to engage in conversations and analyze text. Hanson Robotics and their team received an AAA award in 2005 for their creation of an intelligent conversational portrait of Philip K. Dick. However, the original robot was unfortunately lost during transit to San Francisco in the same year and was never recovered. In 2011, Hanson Robotics collaborated with Dutch public broadcaster WePro to develop and unveil a new version of the Android. This updated version featured 36 servomotors for facial expressions and incorporated motion tracking machine vision technology. Presently, the Philip K. Dick Android is dedicated to research as part of the non-profit Apollo Mind initiative, continuing to explore the intersection of artificial intelligence and human expression. Additionally, The updated Zeno featured more cartoon-like features, enhancing its appeal and functionality. Hanson Robotics introduced Joey Chaos at the 2007 RoboBusiness Conference and Expo in Boston, MA. Designed for studying human-robot interaction, Joey Chaos features camera eyes for tracking human faces and advanced speech recognition software. Its skin is crafted from a lightweight and flexible spongy polymer called Frubber, manipulated by small servo motors within the head. Additionally, the head houses motion detection and speech recognition sensors, transmitting signals to an external computer equipped with artificial intelligence software. In response, the computer coordinates the servo motors to generate facial expressions and speech, enhancing the robot's interactive capabilities. As technology continues to evolve, the United States remains at the forefront of robotic innovation, pushing boundaries and reshaping industries. From space exploration to healthcare, from manufacturing to mobility, these top robots exemplify the ingenuity and creativity of American engineers and scientists. With each new advancement, the future of robotics grows more promising, offering solutions to challenges both here on Earth and beyond.